In this lesson, we will talk about how to create parallel stream. Okay, we have already discussed what is sequential stream, what is parallel stream, when should we use parallel stream, when should we go for sequential stream. Now we are going to talk about what are the ways to create a parallel stream. Okay, so let's take a list of arrays, basically list of integers. So arrays dot as list. Let's take 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let me store into a variable, and these are numbers, right? Now these are the list of integers. Now I want to create a parallel stream on this, and we want to just print all these elements. So how we can do that? Numbers dot stream. Now it got converted into a stream. Dot parallel. We have a method dot parallel. This will convert our stream into a parallel stream. Now if I store, it will be a stream object itself, but now the parallel processing will be enabled. Alright. Now if I just want to print this, parallel dot for each system dot out println. If I save and run this, all these elements are printed. Now in parallel string, we know that there is no sequence, so all the elements will be printed randomly. Okay, if you can see that if I run it again and again, all these elements are going in a random fashion. Now instead of storing into a variable, we can also just call for each here, and we can print the elements in a single line. So we don't need to store anywhere, and also this line is not required. Alright, so this is one way. So calling this parallel method. Second is, on this numbers array, we can straight away call the parallel stream, and then we can print it. So system dot out println. So these are the two ways basically to create a parallel stream. Let me save and run this. So you can see, let me put something here so that output from parallel stream 2, and let me keep here output from parallel stream 1. Save this, run this. We should see some differentiation here. So these are the results from the parallel stream 1, these are the results from parallel stream 2, using these two different methods, and there's no difference. Basically it will create a parallel stream, and it will have all the features which we have already discussed what the parallel stream is going to have. Okay.